Welcome to Sioux Avenue. If you're looking for a single-story, custom-built home filled with character that offers 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 3,600 square feet of living space, an RV garage, a workshop, a guest house with a full bathroom and a kitchenette that sits on a fully fenced near 2.5-acre lot with gorgeous mountain views all around, this may be for you. Let's go on in, check it out. Welcome home. The main house offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, plantation shutters and custom flooring throughout that enriches the home, a formal living room, a formal dining room, a remodeled kitchen with live edge granite counters, stainless steel appliances, travertine backsplash, tile flooring, and bar stool seating that opens up the family room with exposed wood beam ceilings, backyard access, and a cozy wood burning stove. Entertain friends and family with your outdoor kitchen that features built-in barbecue, a burner, ice maker, a sink, a covered patio, plenty of seating all around. The sellers told me that they had a few weddings here with over 200 people and didn't feel crowded at all. A pergola there, another pergola right behind me, grass area, string lighting, complete privacy, and a water fountain for tranquility. The workshop/RV garage offers plenty of electrical, insulation, ventilation, skylights, an office upstairs, plenty of room to fit Dale Earnhardt's car and Aaron Rodgers if you're a Gourmet fan. Plus, the guest house complete with the kitchen, living area, 1.5 bathrooms, and a bedroom. Thank you so much for on this tour of this one-of-a-kind home on Sioux Avenue. For more information or for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters!